we got the trailer. And believe me, it's been a crazy day. Both batteries in the truck died. 3 bikes, 1 day. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Driveway Demons. I have got a new venture starting on this channel. I told you guys for months that some great things were happening. Today I'm picking up a brand new Kawasaki dirt bike, well, basically brand new, and a brand new motorcycle. And we're going to the dealership to pick that up. First, we're here at RevZilla, Philadelphia, picking up some new riding gear, and we're gonna go over the gear that I'm getting, and we're gonna try to film as much as we can, but inside the store, I won't have time. I'm allowed to film, I already checked with them, but I don't think I have time to do that. So I'm gonna go over the gear that I picked up once we get it. So if you guys are new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, tap the like, and of course, comment below. It's gonna be a banger of a video, and we got a lot of content coming on dirt bikes, motorcycles, on and off-road, enduros, everything. Lots of reviews coming. We're still doing car content. Got truck stuff coming, some GT350 stuff coming. So we're gonna walk into RevZilla, and we're gonna get things started. Let's go. Hey, you know what? How did we really get to Philly? Mike, did you drive us or did I drive us?
I don't even know.
Who drove us here? I think we teleported. I'm all done at RevZilla. Thanks to Gerald here for helping me out with all the gear. If you guys need gear and you're in the New Jersey, Philly, Eastern Pennsylvania area, just come down to RevZilla here in the Philadelphia location. And it's out by the airport. Come see Gerald or any of the guys up here and they'll hook you up. What do you think, man? Good times?
Oh, great time. We got helmets, jackets, gloves. Carry a little bit of it on the website, but come on down. We'll help you guys out and take it from there.
Riding some Gixxers. You got an R1, right?
I do.
You got an R1. This guy's got the crazy speed. Not a leader bike here yet, but you know.
You'll get to that. Don't worry, man.
We'll get to it at some point in time. Definitely check it out. Stop in the store, get your guys' gear, and we're off to get the trailer and pick up the bike.
Deep thoughts, we always disagree. Remember how we used to be so free. Like yesterday, we were so happy. Empty memories, we were so savvy. Just thinking we had a lifelong venture. Forever ride or die, we had real world pressure. Fantasy love is like a mystery. Binary flattery turned into forgery. Crazy that you became so very distant. There should have been so much more persistence. Girl, your love has got me so damn connected. Things just became so damn defective. Girl, you're never gonna hear me say.
So we're in town now. We got the trailer, and believe me, it's been a crazy day. I don't know what happened, but both batteries in the truck died. We had to take my Durango, go drop the battery off, while charging the other, go to Philly, go to RevZilla, meet up with the shop there and get the stuff done. Then we had to come back, get the truck running, then get the trailer. They rented a trailer out to somebody else, so we had to go to another shop and get that trailer. But all that stuff out of the way, we're here in town to pick up my son too, because I'm buying my son a brand new dirt bike. And then after we get my motorcycle and his bike, we're gonna see how he reacts to that. We're then going another hour drive north and we're picking up a new dirt bike for me. So 3 bikes, 1 day. Mikey, what do you think, bro?
I think it's amazing.
All right, guys, we're here at Tom's River Marine and Motorsport, picking up my motorcycle. We're gonna show you what it is. And my son is gonna pick up his very first big boy dirt bike.
Say hi,
That's
Zach.
my son, Zach. And my other son, Xander's hiding in the box. We'll see you inside. Are you excited?
Who's that? You speak English.
Let's go get your bike.
You speak English or Spanish?
I speak both.
Like if you speak Spanish. Guys, what are we talking about the green?
Wait, you ready to see your bike? Come here.
No, I like this bike better.
Okay.
Your bike's not here, it's in the back. But do you like green, orange, or are you glad that I got you the red?
I am on.
All right, Xander, I got a big fat question for you.
What?
How excited are you to be getting a brand new bike?
Good question. How are you?
Very bad.
Excited to get me a bike?
I don't know. It's not.
Sell all your money to get me this.
It's not my bike.
How are you excited to get me this and that?
I can't do that.
How are you
I
excited?
can't get you this. But how excited are you? I said, are you really excited?
Oh, let's go look at this aisle. Come on. Go. Help.
Xander, they got ATVs.
Where we gotta go, though.
This is called the Magic Pool.
They got my ATV. That's a quad. That's an ATV.
This is an ATV.
Yes. These right here are quads. All right, come on, bud. You ready? All right, come on, bud.
Go.
Are you ready? We got you new gloves.
Okay.
Yeah, you ready to see your bike?
Where's my helmet, dog? Doesn't matter. I'm on.
You ready? Open your eyes. There's your bike. That's your bike. I bought it for you. Now go get on it. Do you like it? That's your big boy bike. Have a straight bike. Ready? That's it. That's how you lean it. Like that.
Put the
Okay?
kicks. Let me try putting the kicks.
What's going on, dude?
Which means
Look in my eye. Look
There it
in my
goes.
eye.
What do you think of your new bike?
it looks like
Bless.
it's way too stiff up.
What do you think of your new bike, dude?
It's
Come over here.
cool. Subscribe if you like it. Like if I should get a bigger one and just.
All right, you guys ready to see the new vehicle for Driveway Demons? I'm gonna show you guys. Are you ready? I'm so excited when I came out here and saw it. It was like just surreal. This is a Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. This is 130 horsepower, 127 point whatever, a 636cc super sport bike. Let's come around the front, take a look at it. I'm gonna start it up. We're gonna get it on the trailer, and then I'm gonna show you guys a lot of content on this bike. We got a lot of things to do. It's gonna be great, all right? So let's get it fired up. Give it a little rev because it's cold. Once it warms up, we can. You guys pumped for the content? This is the new Driveway Demons vehicle. It's gonna be badass. All right, Mikey. How does it feel, Mikey? We are 13 hours into this trip. We're in North Jersey now. We've traveled 400 miles today, picking up dirt bikes and motorcycles for the channel. How do you feel? Like, what are we doing?
Well, I feel excited, but I feel drained.
I'm drained too, man. Drained. But it's a lot of fun. Picked up the Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. Now we're headed to go pick up the Kawasaki KX250. This is gonna be sick. All right, guys, we're finally here. Long day. Wouldn't change it for the world. It was a lot of fun. We're pulling up to look at the dirt bike right now. I don't know if he's gonna be okay with me filming him. Probably not is what I would assume. But you can never really assume things and be certain because sometimes people are cool with that. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the bike and then we'll film once we take a look at it and make sure it's okay with him, you know? We'll show you guys what good deal we got here. I'm picking up a Kawasaki KX250 and this bike is a couple of years old and it only has like 6 hours on it, meaning the guy rode it a couple of weekends in the last couple of years. It's basically showroom condition. And I'm getting it for an insane deal. I'm paying less than half of the retail price and I just couldn't turn this down. So we're gonna go talk to him. We're gonna get things going. Mikey's ready, I'm ready, we're all ready, everybody's ready. Are you ready? I'll come back at you once we check with him if we're okay to film. Let's get going. Then we'll look at the gear when we get back to the house. We've driven 400 miles in one day. Driveway Demons is back, let's go. So check this out, guys. This is a relic, basically. KX250. It's a 2017, but by looking at it, you would never know. I mean, other than some very small wear from where the boots would be sitting, or just a little bit of here and there, you would think it was about a year-old bike, maybe 2, not 6. It's hard to find a bike 6 years old that looks almost brand new. Owner's manual, title, everything's clean. We're gonna be adding this to the channel. We're just not gonna be letting Mikey drive it because then, you know, he won't be able to film anymore because he'll be handicapped probably. This will probably kill him. We're gonna show you the damage he's caused to the go-kart and the dirt bike that he flipped. We're gonna get this loaded up in the trailer. I just wanted to let you guys see up close look before we even touched it how new this thing looks. Take a shot of it. So Mikey had to get some Taco Bell. You had to, right?
Yep, I had to.
I mean, we're doing all this traveling for bikes, dirt bikes and stuff, and we had to stop at Taco Bell. And of course, me, I don't like eating unhealthy. I don't eat wheat. I don't eat corn anymore, but I decided I'll have a quesadilla even though it's got wheat in it, but it's just steak, guacamole, and lettuce, so we'll keep it easy. This guy orders a bunch of combos full of cheese. Full of cheese!
I ordered 2.
I know, right? This bike is crazy. I drove it yesterday, and let me tell you, it's gonna take some getting used to, even coming from a 250 Kawasaki that I bought yesterday. But I've been riding 150s and 250s. This Kawasaki is actually faster than the 250 I had. They're really fast bikes. This bike is crazy. As soon as you touch the throttle, it just wants to fly. I'm gonna be doing an exhaust on this immediately in the next video. We gotta do the break-in. If you guys are buying your very first bike, I'm gonna do a buyer's guide on that as well, because this is my first street bike. And I picked a ZX6R for a reason. A Ninja 400 doesn't make sense if you have 2+ years of dirt bike experience. If you've been riding a 250R Honda or a 250F Kawasaki or a YZ250 Yamaha or whatever, if you've been riding a 250 for 2 years or more and you're comfortable on it, a Ninja 400 is going to be insanely boring for you. Unless you just want to generally cruise, there's nothing wrong with it, it'll be fun. But if you're looking to step up, go a little faster, have a little more fun, there's no reason why you can't buy a bike like this as a first street bike. This is a lot of bike for a beginner, but it's got 3 levels of traction control, and on level 3 and on low power mode, it's gonna drive like I don't wanna say like a Ninja 400, but it's gonna be very reduced in power, and you're not gonna be able to spin out or burn out or wheelie or anything. It's gonna lock all that down. This is good for someone who's been riding for years on a 250 like me. Natural high revving engine in this bike is better in my opinion than the 450. 450 makes 52 wheel horsepower. This makes 42 wheel horsepower. If you're a beginner at dirt bike riding, do not buy this bike. I've been riding for 3.5 years now, and I have a 125, a 150R from Honda, and I also have another 250. And I'm gonna go through a whole video explaining how to fit on a dirt bike properly and where your feet should be, because there's a lot of stuff that goes into this. I'm gonna start it up for you guys. It's a fucking awesome bike. See where my feet are? You don't want to be flat-footed. You never want to be like that on both feet. Always a little bit up. What do you think, Mikey? Pretty good. This bike has launch control, so if you're wondering why there's no kickstand, none of them have that. Mike, you like this one better, don't you? We're gonna see what the exhaust sounds like after we get the exhaust change in the next video. That is the new edition of Driveway Demons. We got the Ninja ZX6R, Kawasaki 250F. I've also got my 150R dirt bike, and I've got another 250 dirt bike, and of course, GT350 SSR semi-automatic that we just bought him. Probably gonna be getting a Yamaha R7 in the next 6 to 8 months. So we're gonna have a couple of bikes. Probably gonna be doing a lot of bikes in the next couple of years, and some cars too. Hope you guys enjoy it, and we're gonna see you on the next upload. We're live stream. Be sure to subscribe, tap the bell so you're notified when I go live. And not only that, comment. What do you guys think? Give me a thumbs up. Check out my gaming channel, Acrylics, the one and only AKRYL1KZ. Acrylics. You can find me on Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, Instagram, all the socials, Twitter, TikTok. Same with Driveway Demons. Be sure to follow me all socials everywhere. And I'll be launching the new acrylic store, acrylics.com, which will be launching the next couple of days. I'll give you guys the inside information on that. It'll be acrylics.com or acrylicsgaming.com or acrylicsfam.com, one or the other. I'm working on that right now. We'll see you guys in the next upload live stream. Appreciate you guys being here. We're back and we're doing it. I told you I was coming back. Come back in style. Peace out, guys. We'll catch you in the next video.